What if every line you draw could move? What if a simple map could turn into a cinematic journey? You're about to unlock Canva's best-kept secret. And in just a few minutes, you'll go from a beginner to a map animation pro. Today I'm going to show you how to make this map animation in easy steps. Go to Video, and choose this resolution, and you can use any image you want. Let's use this one. Increase the size like this. Duplicate and drag this image and zoom on any country you want. For example, let's use Spain. Add new page, go to Elements, and type Spain map. Go to Graphics. Let's use this map. Increase the size and change the color to any color you want. And download it as PNG with transparent background. Okay, the map image upload it and drag it to the second page. Try to place it exactly with the map. Go to Animate, choose Ink, go to Text and add the text, change the font. Let's change the color as well, place it in the map, and animate this text as well with any animation you want. For example, blue. And add transition, match and move, increase the duration. Go to the second page. Click in the map image to show element timing and control the timing. Make it appear in this point. And control the text as well. Make it up here, and here are the final results. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel.